Everyone, I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make a classic autumn side dish called Kabocha no Nimono, or Japanese simmered pumpkin in English. Let's get started. First, you need about 450 grams of kabocha squash, which is about a quarter of a medium-sized kabocha. Scoop out the seeds with a spoon like this. You can wash off the seeds and bake them with some seasoning to make a tasty snack. Next, place it flat on your cutting board and cut it in half like this. It's pretty hard, so be sure to use a sharp knife and use a rocking motion to guide the knife through. Continue to use this rocking motion to cut it into strips, then into large bite-sized pieces. Kabocha skin is edible and becomes soft after cooking, so there's no need to peel it. It also stops the kabocha from falling apart when cooking. Okay, next we're going to take a saucepan and arrange the pieces with the skin side facing up. Make sure to choose a pan big enough to make one layer. We don't want it to overlap for this recipe. This just about fits, so now add about 300 ml of dashi broth and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, add half tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sake. Continue to let it cook for about 2 minutes, then place a drop lid on top and let it simmer for 10 minutes or until fork tender. The purpose of the drop lid is to stop the kabocha from moving too much and breaking. It also helps the bubbles move the condiments around the pot more evenly without the need to mix it. If you don't have a drop lid, check out my video on how to make one with baking paper or foil. After about 10 minutes, check them by piercing with a fork or skewer. It should go in smoothly like this. If it's still hard, continue to cook and check it every few minutes. And that's it. Japanese Kabocha no Nimono, a classic autumn side dish. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to get the printable version of this recipe, it's available on my blog, the link is on the screen. And if you like kabocha squash, check out my kabocha loaf cake video on the screen too. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.